welcome, squad. Okay.
Morning, Maxi. Morning, guys.
Morning. Wow, it looked like GJ pushed early again. Yeah, there's a little 15-minute move there. On that flip. Would have worked out quite nicely. I think I got to around about 10 pips and then it went back up.
Even the little retest would have been alright, Max.
Yeah. Look at the 5-minute.
I got a paper trade on it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, on the 15 there, yeah.
Would have only been 9 pip stop nearly.
Yeah. And I had no bottom wick, did it?
No, and you would have gotten 22 so far, or around 20.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
Just a little too early.
Yeah. Okay, so another opportunity may fall in a second if we come back up over here. Yeah, stop loss could be 10 pips. We'll have to see. But yeah, Jesus Christ, why did the charts move so early? This recently. Just fucking chill out, Jesus Christ. Okay, so welcome chat. I'm gonna quickly go through this. But yeah, I'm looking at GJ. Still, okay, the daily time frame. I can't believe yesterday closed bullish. What the fuck? We retraced all the way back. 4 hour right now is bearish, making some resistance at the same point again. Still look at the hourly. Okay, so hourly, 30-minute and 15-minute. Okay, they've closed below. They're making nice top wicks. The previous support was here. Okay, so what you could potentially do is either get in on the flip or you can get in on the top wick if the top wick comes back up to here, which would be 160 flat with an 11 pip stop. So yeah, that's probably what I'm going to look for. Would be great if it was London Open, yeah. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, we'll see. So I think right around 159, 160, 159,998. I may be getting it over here because the hourly doesn't have a top bottom wick yet. It's retracing up, which is good at the start of the candle. So yeah, let me just take a look over here. Where's my thing? Here we go. Entry on the flip. Yeah, you could do entering on the flip to continue back down to 159,630. So your stop would be 10 pips right now. Yeah, that could be reasonable. Let's take a look over here. So let's get this up and running. So it looks like we are coming up now, which is nice. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, so the first kind of push that we've got here, so the retest would be right up there. 996. And a stop would be 160, 100, which is nice. TPs on the 50-minute time frame would be back down here. Would be 159,580 or 600. So yeah, what do you guys think then? Let's take a look. Who's using the chat already? 5-minute close bullish, which is nice. The hourly still has no bottom wick, so yeah, it's looking rather nice. I need to come up a little bit more, and I think I may potentially get in over here, right around 990 here. Morning. So yeah, I have my sell limit on, which would be giving me a 12 pip stop on the previous. If we come and retap it, mine's right at 990 over here, which would be on the 5-minute time frame retesting that level. So yeah, let me just record this. And if we can't get to the sell limit over here, then I may get in on the flip. Right now, the flip would be 11 pip stops. Yeah. That ain't too bad. So, the stop you could have would be either on the 15-minute highs here, or on the 30-minute highs. 30-minute highs would be 10 pips, so... Or 12 pips, sorry. We've also closed below this minor support here, which is nice. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I think I may also have a sell stop here as well, because if this doesn't hit and this starts flipping, I think I'm gonna be pretty pissed. I'm gonna miss it. So yeah. So yeah, I'll get in on the flip as well, because the stop is okay. It's 11 pips, so stop. 159,847. 159,950. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's delete the... Okay, so I basically said if there's a sell stop and a sell limit, if we come to the sell limit, then I'm going to take that with stop loss above the previous 30, I think, because it's going to give me a 10 pip stop. If it doesn't hit the sell limit and comes to the flip, then I'm going to take that. Whichever one activates, I'll just delete the other one. And yeah, I think I'm just going to use 30-minute stops. Yeah, maybe. Maybe on the previous 15, we'll see. We'll see. Buys short as daily has no top wick. Ooh. Yeah. There's a nice little push there at 6:45, which is good. So now, I mean, the last 4-hour time frame as well closed bearish, didn't it? Yeah, we've broken the lows already. Interesting. Gold sells look good. Yeah, I'll take a look. We just jumped in GJ right now because GJ looks pretty nice to continue down. So we'll see. Take a look on the hourly time frame. Should come to at least 6:40 here. Yeah. The difference in RR between the two trades, yeah, it's mad, isn't it? It's a madness. Take a look at what the 5 minute's doing. Yeah, 5 minute goes bullish. Let's take a look at gold then. People looking at Goldie. So if I got in here and my stop was there, 6 pip stop, that's not bad actually. Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Because the hourly still has no bottom wick, so it's going to make one eventually in this hour, hopefully. So yeah, we'll see. What is a sell limit number? Blurry on my end. 159,992. Actually got it at 990 on my MetaTrader. Yeah. Do 990. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. This stop is still 12 pips. Not bad actually. Not bad. Who's in the chat for this? Bri, have any input? I've got the sell limit on the break of the previous 5 here, untested.
I don't like the 30 minutes, the 1 hour resistance we're coming to, the 15-minute resistance we're coming to, and the 15-minute resistance. Well, the supports there below your green line. I don't like that choppy area. Yeah, I don't like that. Because if you look at that on the 30 and then the 1 hour, it's tight. It makes it tighter. And we're not at volume time yet.
Yep.
So I don't want to put anybody off, but I just think that's a bit choppy and it's a bit tight. But like I said, I don't want to put anyone off. I don't want to. Oh shit.
What's that? Jesus Christ. That was some fucking
lion in his room.
yeah. Holy shit. I was like, what the fuck? Some guy's got a lion in his room. Sell stop still active? Yep. Yep, like 11 pip stop. How long left? Oh, it's actually 2 minutes left, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna delete sell stops and sell limits. I wanted that push right now. If this candle closes in 2 minutes time very, very strong, then yeah, it's not looking too good.
Yeah,
but,
so sorry, I just muted my mic. Yeah, I don't like that choppy area, Max.
I see what you mean.
If we're closer to the volume time, yeah, we could crush through it because it's a small area on the 1 hour, right? But lower time frames, it looks a bit messier. I just wanted to put cleaner. That, like I said, I don't want to put anyone off, but I just think it's a bit too tight. Because if you go from the flip of the bull candle to the res, it's like 9 pips down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a bit tight.
I still like it, but this fucking minute candle, I swear to God, this flips. Oh my God.
Yeah, I mean, you can blame me, but anyway.
Nah, I'm gonna try and get it
We
again.
must talk, so we must talk. You know what I mean? So if I don't dig it, I'll say.
Yeah, still look at the 5s. Yeah. We'll see in this 15-minute closure how it closes. If it breaks the low, then I may try and get in again. I don't think it's too bad for me because I think, I mean, how much profit would I be in if I get there? Yeah, it's not too much. To look at the hourly. Isn't gold clearer? Hell no. Gold hasn't even closed below the 15. Gold hasn't even closed below. I've got to do analysis on this anyway, but let's look at the 4 hour. And it's a 4 hour support. Nah, gold looks like shit. Okay, so yeah, I didn't even go through this because we were in it so quickly. So the daily time frame is bearish right now. Yes, the last one closed bullish, but the whole day was bearish, which is kind of funny. Let's take a look at FOREX Factory as well. One sec. Is there anything today? Oh, later on. That's it. Wow, that's an easy day.
Hey Max, if you go to gold and go to the daily chart, there's a big warning sign for people wanting to sell on that flip. And they should see it. Somehow see where price is. It's a strong level of support. So if you're gonna try to sell into that, you're gonna get fucked.
Yeah.
This week alone, it bounced off yesterday. On Monday, so and it already did a bit of a bounce up from that level today, so be careful at that level.
Yeah, I got the sell stop still activated. I'm still happy with it because there's no bottom wick, so I'm going for it.
Yeah, but I was talking on gold.
No, I know. I'm just telling
Okay.
people, I'm just telling people on stream that I put it. But yeah, I
Okay,
agree. I
sorry.
agree. Especially now, you know, it's coming back to make a little bit of support. I think. Yeah. So the body, sorry, the wick of the candle is the same as the body. Look at the 5 minutes. One hour sells only look good till 762. Yeah, I'll be at break even by then. Yeah, the sell stop, my man. If it breaks this 15-minute high, then I'm gonna leave it for later on, which would be great because it means later on it will come back to these areas, see how it reacts, and there'll be still no bottom wick, which would be nice. So. It's down there. So yeah. Right in the bottom of that previous 30, yeah. How is brother? Big fan. A lot of gain from. Oh, nice. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Wow, there's a lot of people in today. Well, I'll take profit match. I'll take 10 pips and then I'll run the rest to 600, 159, 6. I think I said 620, 615. Yeah. Oh yeah. If it breaks this high, I'm gonna delete it though because it's breaking 50-minute highs. But it means later on, man, this is gonna be nice for the hourly. So to be honest with you, the more this pushes up, good, because when it comes here, I'm going to see if it rejects. And then it will be really coming down. Downtown. So if I broke the low now with current candle stops, it'd be 9 pips. Yeah, it's fine. Let's take a look at Goldie. Yeah, Goldie's still holding that level. I'm going to go through this as well in a second. Let's take a look at AJ. AJ. Okay. Hourly close bearish, but not really below anything. Yeah, kind of shit. What was your GJ spread? 1.5. 1.5 pips. 1.5 pepperoonies. So yeah, let's go through Goldie as a whole. Yeah, 1.5 pips, which is kind of on the high side actually. I think it's just because it's a little bit early on. A little bit earlier, so. Let's take a look over here. So the daily time frame is bearish. The 4-hour time frame is bearish, but the overall trend, I mean, it is still kind of bearish, right? But yes, we've came up looking like we're retracing a little bit, so could eventually be making some support. Let's put this on over here. The 4-hour time frame is right on 4-hour support, pretty heavily support. You can see here. It's holding it kind of nicely. So yeah, someone says no GJ sells. I've got a sell stop, my man.
Yo, what's happening, mate?
Fanny boy.
Oh, fucking hell, sorry.
I fucking love this. Okay, so the hourly time frame is closed bearish. It's making a top wick. Right now, the 50-minute did close strong bullish, right? So if price does want to continue down though, let's look on this 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. I mean, it's a little bit choppy. Let's take a look on the left hand side here. Yeah, probably 1840 would be a good level to continue to. And yeah, looking like, to be honest with you, with the sells, you got to wait until you're below this level because you're on 4-hour support, right? Let's take a look at GJ. So GJ's breaking up. Look at the 5-minute close bullish. Yeah, not looking too good. If it breaks that high, I'm going to leave it. 9 minutes left for this 30 minutes, so still got a lot of time. But yeah. We'll see, we'll see. The good thing is that the hourly still has no bottom wick, so we know it's going to happen. Hi, just some feedback. Your mic always sounds quite distant. I've checked settings and compared sound to other live streams. I think it might be worth investigating. Ah. 1 second. Ooh, I do not know. When I hear it back, it sounds alright. I don't know.
Mic is loud, mate. The mic is perfect.
Yeah, 8 minutes left. Perfect time for this candle. It may be getting in over here. Now it's great you did something then. Ah, I turned it up a little bit more. Yeah. Chinese internet not good on mic. Fuck's sake. Chinese not good on mic. God dang it. So yeah, it's still got a lot of time, but as this candle, you know, comes with the less time, I may close it off over here. But it's still nice. It's still holding. It hasn't broken the highs. It's making lower lows. So as long as you break this low, you should push nicely. Max, how would you manage this trade? I'd probably just close full on the current highs, 942. So if I broke that, yeah, it'd be like a 10 pip loss. Look at the 5 minute now. But for me, it's looking like it's rejecting. And if it comes and breaks that high, I'm going to get out. And I'm going to wait a little longer. A little longer. Right, okay, AJ. Oh my god, AJ's still in that fucking range. God dang. So yeah, I mean, sells for me, I mean, preferably is to look at the hourly. Yeah, I mean, if it comes back and breaks that hourly low, then I don't see why not. But it is just right at that strict level, right? So I'd be a little cautious. Why aren't my comments going through? I don't know. If it's got a link on it, it might not work, my man. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so this candle has 6 minutes left. When it comes to maybe 5 or 4, I'm just going to delete it because it hasn't done what I want it to do in this candle, which is break the lows. Max, try sending a screen grab. How the fuck is the best way, man? What? You guys are not speaking English, man. Okay, so 50 minute over here is breaking the highs nearly. And there we go. So yeah. Oh, did it break it? Oh my god, I didn't even fucking break it. Oh my god. 5 minutes left of the candle. I'm still gonna keep it on. Still hasn't broken it on my terminal, and it still hasn't broken it on my trading view. And the more it messes around, the better for me, because when we get the drive, you're gonna get the drive. 4 minutes left. It's gonna stop pushing now. Yeah, it's also the 30-minute close. So you could do the 30-minute salary play if you wanted. If you wanted. Yeah, the 5-minute time frames are chilling. Yeah, so 4 minutes left. There's not enough time for the candle now, so I am going to delete it now. Okay, there's only 4 minutes left. It's not going to do the move I want it to do in the last 4 minutes, so I'm just going to wait for the closure over here. Maybe up over here, you might get some resistance to form. Maybe. But yeah, we'll see. I think the 30-minute will make in a small nipple and then break, and we'll trace right back up. Maybe, yeah. I saw that first move here, which was nice, but it was just a little bit too early, man. Oh, don't you dare do it now. Oh my god. 3 minutes left of the candle. Oh, should I get in? Should I get in? 3 minutes left, fuck's sake.
You have your answer already. 3 minutes.
Yeah.
No, it's not going to be half an hour still for volume. Could be early volume, you never know, but 3 minutes, you know who done it.
People that's not on the stream and looking at the Signal channel, yeah. That is funny. Yeah, gold's still chilling on there. Morning, Max. Would you only consider the wick entry like yesterday on an hourly open? No, but it helps, right? Oh, don't fucking do it. No, 2 minutes before the closure, you fucking arsewipe. Okay, great. It's flipped. So we'd be in right now. Ah, you cunt. Yeah. I should have stuck with it. Wow, GG. The last fucking 2 minutes of the candle. And there we go, beautiful. Wow, so it'd be 5 pips profit already. Oh, you fucking cunt! That's really pissed me off. I know I should have just stayed with it.
That's what I said. You're gonna say.
Fuck's sake.
You gotta see how far it goes because they're coming to that area. That's what I see.
Yeah. But for me, it would be, if I got in on the flip right here, it would be break even. So we'll see.
Yeah, and you'll be selling into 750.
Yeah.
Tell him, Jason. Tell him.
Jason sounds fucking deeper voice today.
Oh my god, this fucking god.
His balls finally dropped in.
Oh, he's been drinking last night. Okay, let's take a look at AJ, right? So AJ, where's AJ? AJ is in a nasty ass zone. It's been here for a while now. It's pretty nasty. The 4-hour time frame is bearish right now. Yeah. I'll wait for the 30 to close. Yeah, the thing is now it's right at that area, so I wanted to push to that area, and then yeah. Ah, well, suck a dick. Jesus Christ. Got out 776. Yeah. Well, the next candle's going to open, right? It's just going to withstand the wicks. I mean, now, if it came back and retested there, 846, it'd be 11 pip stop. Right, res to the left now. Yep, that's why I wanted to get in there, so I'd have break even here. Fuck's sake, man. Oh, that's pissed me right off. Should have just gone for it. For you, host for. So nearly hit 10 pips if you got it on the lows. You're nearly there. You're nearly there. So 30-minute close bearish below now. Yeah, this is going to continue. So, I mean, second ways to get in. I mean, it's also an hourly support resistance there. Yeah, that's the move done for me, unfortunately. So, see if you can get the 10 pips here. Made 15 pips, got in on the wick. Thanks, my bro. Oh, wow, you got in on the wicks. Very nice. Let's take a look. Nice retest entry. Yeah, the only thing is how would you have got your entry there on the top wicks? How would you get there on the top wicks? Because it didn't retest back up. It needed to come like 3 pips more. 3 pipperoonies more. Yes, I am in. Yeah, I'm jealous. Don't rub it in. Fucking pissed off. Okay, AJ over here on the hourly time frame. 30 minute 15. All here. Yeah. There's big ass supports right there. Big ass supports. So no need to rush in there, I don't think. So yeah. We'll have to see now. The 30 minute has closed below, so we should effectively fill this to 632. But yeah. And that's pretty much the whole idea for today, which is what I wanted. So now, I mean, where could you go? I mean, the hourly supports are right there. Yeah, that would be my 10 pips hit just then. Nice. Beautiful. So Max, your sell limit was the right idea. Well, I wouldn't have got activated, my man. My sell limit was up here. So it wouldn't have got activated. But yeah. Yeah, and then I mean, if this 15 closed bullish though, would you have kept that on if it broke that high nearly? No, probably not. So, it would have been interesting. Plus 4.5% for me, thanks, mate. Oh, nice.
Hey Max, good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
What are your views on GJ 30-minute time frame? The traffic on the left at around 7:50.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Where is GJ right now?
It's not nice. That's why I wanted to get in here. So when you get to this traffic to the left, you're at break even and you close in 10 pips. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why now I can't get in. That's why I've missed the move, and that's why I'm pissed off. Ah, you cunt. Oh my god. No, GJ. And there we go. Beautiful. So well done for taking that, people. I should have just sticked on it. Yeah. 1 minute before it closed. Motherfucker. Should come back down to 582. Fuck's sakes. I missed that move and I also missed that move. Great. Let's take a look over here. If you take 10 pips, you need high leverage to get cash. No, your stop loss just needs to be 10 pips as well. Fuck's sake, that was too nice. Oh my god, that's the bane of my life this fucking 2 weeks. Jesus Christ. Every entry I get on. Like, bro, lol, you should have not have closed early. I didn't get in, my man. It was 1 minute before the candle closed. I wanted to wait. So yeah. Anyone see anything else now? I mean, below there, but then it's the hourly. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. Sucks really bad. 30 pips and GJ finally good market moves. Nice, nice. Well done, everyone. Thanks for rubbing it in. Okay, so I just see profits, and profits. Oh my god. Buys on gold. Oh, okay. So the 4 hours turned back up. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, I mean, the only issue is the daily is still quite bearish, right? The daily's quite bearish. Someone just AJ looks good for sells, does it? Look on the 50-minute time frame, man. The support's right there. Yeah. Don't you fucking dare say you got that, Brian.
I'm kidding.
Oh my fucking god, I literally delete you out of the chat instantly, you fucking cunt. That's so funny.
I just wanted to see your reaction.
Stop putting me off with the fucking left, man. Every time recently, you fuckers. Like yesterday as well. I'm like, no, I'm getting in. Yes, the left-hand side looks like shit. I know, I'm not fucking blind, but when you get there, you're fucking break even. You cunts. That's so funny. So yeah, beautiful. Well done for taking that, guys. If you did. But yeah, it's a shame that the fucking 30-minute had to close a minute before and then starts pushing. It's like, really? You had all this time and you fucked around for 30 minutes. London Open hourly closure below 580. Yeah. Is that below the hourly stuff on the left? 1 second. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. Just timing messed this one out. Yeah, exactly. I think it's both entries because I wanted to get in there and that's literally when I started the stream, so I fucking missed that one because the stop loss was 11 pips, and then it would have been that one as well. Yeah. Sells below 89.83 on AJ. Yeah, potentially. Yeah. I think that would be safer, right? I think that would be safer, for sure. Yeah. Well, how are people looking to get into buys and gold? The only issue is the daily and the 4 hours is so bearish. So for me, it's just a no-go. 4 hours bullish, but it's very weak, right? It's not that good. Will you look for sells on GJ again? Nope, not anymore. I've missed it. In this area anyway. Maybe below. Yeah, maybe below 560. But apart from that, I've missed it. So yeah. Let's focus on AJ. Yeah, we gotta wait for AJ for a while. Because right now it is nowhere near where I want it. It's gonna come a little bit further down over here, like another 10 pips. Look up Brian. And then look now. Oh wow, it's struggling in that area. Yes, because the candles are shit, but you've already taken profits. It doesn't give a fuck. Yeah, you got 20 pips on that one. That was nice. Let's move this over here. I was thinking, where was it? Yeah, recently, who else has been doing London session this week? Not a lot. Not many people. But it isn't even 8 o'clock yet, guys. We've still got a lot of time, which is interesting. But yeah, that's the kind of move for me. Because the thing is, though, is that we're bullish, right? So that was kind of the retracement to then maybe continue again bullish later on. Yeah. Good thing is on the 4 hours are making lower lows, which is good, and higher lows, which is very, very nice. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look then at Discord, see if there's any charts here. Four-hour flip sell zone. Yeah, I think you need to have a really good strong candle though, because look at these wicks to the left there. Would be a little bit scary for me. I'm not gonna lie. Be a little bit cautious in that area. But you know, it may work out. May work out nicely. Look at EJ. Send me a chart, man. I'll take a look. Send me a chart, my man. I think below 1844 would be okay. But it has broken the previous hourly highs already, so yeah, it's not too good. Yeah. But anyway, the one thing about these past 2 days is that we're starting to see GJ act normally again, which is good to see. Yesterday was nice, and today's been kind of nice. So it's getting a bit more confidence in, right? Seeing them that they're working out nicely, whereas before they weren't at all, right? So it's good to see it. It's good to see it. Yeah, well. Gaslight 101. I'm too scared of the left hand side. Ah, yeah, okay, fair enough, you fuckers. Eat me, lol. I'm trying to think on the 5s. Let's take a look then. Did it actually retest that wick? Yeah, it did. It retested that wick, but didn't come too high from there. How much would you have stops for being at 0.64? Let's take a look. 10 pips, yeah. I think that was a bit risky though, because it didn't come back up to the right zone. For me, I will. I will next time. I think to be honest with you, the reason why I was hesitant to that wasn't even because of what you guys are saying. It's mainly for the fact that recently price has been shit. So, you know, the confidence levels are lower. So I gotta see price playing out, and it's done it twice now. It also did it yesterday on a 15-minute candle. Where was it? That one there. Yeah. So that one there would have taken normally, but it's because price was acting a little bit sus. I wanted to see the confidence back in, and looking like it's getting it, which is good to see, so I'm happy. The time in the candles, yeah, that didn't fucking help. But it was mainly based on the hourly, right? So, I mean, I suppose it's just looking at the hourly. Do 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 do. So yeah, let's take a look. So playing the candle timer, yeah. Fuck's sake, why don't you give me like 5 minutes left, man? That would be great. So yeah, still messing around in this area now, but as I say, you know, if you can get into some entries where you're a little bit cautious to the left, but you can get in at nice with a no bottom wick and you get the drive, then at least for these areas there, you can put stop loss to break even and then hope it continues. Yeah. In a buy on EJ, yeah. It looks like a lot of people on EJ. Make sure you send me a chart and we'll take a look at it. We'll take a look at it. Trading is so amazing. Literally came on the charts and done for the day within 15 minutes. Yeah, very nice. That's the good part of it. Just look at EJ plays. No, if you can't be asked to send me a chart, then I can't be asked to look at it. You obviously took the trade you missed, Max. These 10 entries I usually go for in London Open. Since I only diversify my risk in multiple pairs, I'm aiming for high win rate on GJ only. Yeah. Every 10 pips I get, I move stop loss to entry, then trail. Nice. Yeah, that's a good way of doing it. Good way of doing it. Get you 1-to-1. AJ sell on the 1 hour flip. No. Just take a look on AJ, right? So you're wanting to get in on the flip there. So let's take a look and see what would be wrong with that, right? So rejection wicks, rejection wicks, rejection wicks, support, rejection wicks. The next zone pushing down from here to here isn't even 10 pips, so it's okay. You could squeeze it out. It's not too bad, but the main issue is the rejection wicks there. What you'd wait for is below the rejection wick, so below the line, which is below here, which is why I'm looking for sells below there. Because look, when price breaks below there, it moves quick in these areas. I'd rather get these trades than this area. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me start from the beginning of this one. I'm liking this jazz music. Do you know what? I actually can't be asked to have this music anymore. I kind of fancy some normal music for once. Nah, I'll keep on jazz. Actually keeps, I think it keeps the squad focused. I think tomorrow I may have my own cool music though. We'll have a bit of Spotify on.
I think with jazz, you make the squad drink more coffee.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I want to say shout out to one of our members yesterday who has been really grafting his arse off. And he's been sending me charts every single day. I'll show you. And he's been watching this retest that we've been looking at. And then when we were doing the simulation yesterday, he took a trade on gold, and he got the retest, and he made 20 pips. So this is what I always say to people, right? If you're in the group and you want to put effort in, you know, send me the charts. I'll always reply. You know, I always reply to the charts if you send me them. Always send me the charts. Always do the work, because that's how you're gonna grow, man. This guy's been here. Moses has been here for like a week already, like only a week, and he's already put the webinars in place and looked at what he could have done, and then he executed trades by himself. You know, which is amazing. That's what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna put in the work. Everyone in the group that's been here for a long time and is actually profitable has been putting it in work. People who want to be spoon-fed, you know, they're not here for very long. As I can't see the chart on the sim. Yeah. Oh, do you not do it on a monitor? Yeah. Just. What room I post charts? Either in the YouTube chat with the camera symbol, and then delete like the actual address, just the last bits, or go to Discord and then send some charts in here. Yeah. Oh god, I need to check my Discord DMs. I tell you what, having so many DMs a day is fucking annoying, man. Yeah. Keeps your squad focused. Facts. Yeah, exactly. Guy doesn't even clean his back room and saying he's a mentor. Oh, sorry. Do I not have to have a messy? Can I not have a messy room in peace sometimes, man? Sorry, I didn't know mentors couldn't have a fucking messy room.
Now we have bedroom police.
This fucking bummed it, yeah. This fucking bummed it. Better bedroom popos. I would love to meet these people in person, because I know I'd fucking beat the shit out of them. Like I would just love to see like what they'd be like in person. I bet they'd be like a little keyboard warrior. They'd probably be, I wonder what their like personalities are. Just these people. Like I've never once thought, oh, I'm gonna go in someone's stream and just fucking be a cunt. They're either like 12 years old, or just a little bit butthurt. Okay, AJ coming back down. But yeah, it needs to be a little bit lower down over here. That's Messi should see my trading room. Might have a tiger in there. That's fucking hilarious. Oh yeah, guys, make sure to go check the Instagram for how to actually put your true value of trading. So I think I've added it on, but I'm gonna delete it off. But I wanted to show you guys today, and then I'm gonna delete it because I didn't take it for you guys. But let's take a look over here. Yeah. So I'll just go through it while we're waiting for a trade to set up over here. So the GJ trade I took yesterday closed 80% at 25 pips and the rest at 60. So the true value is 32. So to get that value, all you got to do is go on our calculator. So the calculation is, so 25 pips is the first thing I got. So 25 times by 0.8, because that's 80% of my position, plus 60 times 0.2. So this is the true value of how many pips I gained in that trade in my lots. And then obviously what you do over here is you then get the 32 times by 0.14. Oh shit, 1 second. And there you go, 4.48. So that's how you make out the true value. So people in streams and other streams don't get too. I mean, I don't slag them off. I'm just saying, when you see someone maybe doing this, so closing 80% at 25, closing full at 60, and then total pip secured 60. That's not right? Because you didn't make 60, you made 32 because you closed 80% at 25, right? So that's how you're meant to do it, right? Yeah. Just to give you the true value, just in case, and the reason why I'm telling you this is for people who are maybe getting confused, like, well, how did you get 60 pips here? And they're like, oh my god, that guy made 400 pips. Like, no, you made 80. Oh, did you get on the retest? So you got in on the body of the candle. You took a little bit of drawdown though. Let's take a look and see if it was a bit easier. Let's take a look. But beautiful. Now, Moses, you should have your stop loss to break even, yeah? Stop loss to break even. Because you're up 10 pips. If it reflips here, it's not going to go too well, okay? Let's take a look then. So you got in on the body of the candle here. Let's take a look and see if there's maybe a nicer entry. So, yeah, right there. So that there, on the wicks there, if I draw this line, was the body's retest right here. Yeah. And that was also previous hourly resistance there as well. That's kind of nice. Every pair have its own pips calculation. No. Yes, they have their own measurements, but the pips are just a fucking measurement, man. I'm not gonna go through that today. Holy shit. Dude, although his room is messy, the strategy he taught me made me an FTMO trader and 4.5% today. Hey Max, can you explain more about the retest? Yeah, there's Simon, have you taken a look at the webinar yet? Take a look at this webinar here. This one, break and retest webinar.
Like trading market structure, right?
Make sure to go through this. Sasha explains it very, very nicely in the way that you want to get into trades. And yeah, so it's basically when price has no lower wick, price comes up to retest the previous level it's just broke. So for example, the retest for me on GJ, oh, that was kind of nice there. You don't see that to the left? That was a resistance. But anyway, that for me, it was up here, right? It was at 159, like 990, because this is where we broke up. This candle hasn't been retested yet. It got close there, but it hadn't been retested, and that's where I would have got in. Yeah. If people don't know about pips and what they're doing on stream, they should learn the basics before bothering. Yeah. So guys, let's do some tests over here. Okay, what's better, 20 pips or 10 pips? Think about it. What's
200.
what's better? Wait, what's better? 10 pips, 20 pips, or 50 pips? What's better?
Same thing.
Oh, 10 pips stop loss, 50 pips
Yeah.
profit. That's how I look at it.
Yeah, but it's kind of a trick question, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's the ratio. It's not the pip.
Yeah.
It's not the pip. It's the ratio.
Okay, so someone's saying 10 pips, someone's saying 100 pips, someone's saying 10 pips for consistency.
Someone said 100.
Yeah. Come on, more answers. Can I put a poll up in here? What's better, right? Oh, I can. Oh my god, yes. What is better? Right. Just think about what I've been teaching you guys for a fucking long time. 20. Okay, right. Let's take a look at what YouTube says over here. Ask community. Okay. Okay, so one person in the chat has the answer already. Let's take a look. 50 lol. Percentage matters. Very nice. Small stop loss RR. IG Gurus are saying 200 pips only. Both. I'll take one of each. Let's take a look. Okay, so 20% says 100 pips. 34% is 20 pips. 46% means 10 pips. Let's take a look if anyone else has done any more answers in the chat. Profit is profit. Yeah, as long as I'm making profit with acceptable risk, I don't care. 10 pip is easy. 20 pip is hard sometimes to grab. So I need of getting 20. Well, we need. Okay. So the answer, I mean, and this is my opinion, but the answer is any of them, right? Any of them. It's just a measurement, okay? I didn't tell you anything about the stop loss, right? You know, I didn't tell you anything about the stop loss. So if you had a 2 pip stop and you got 10 pips, then you've just got a 1 to 5 risk to reward. If I had a 100 pips trade and I made 100 pips, but my stop loss was 200 pips, then that's pretty shit. If I had a 10 pip stop and a 20 pip gain, that's pretty good. That's a 1 to 2. So it depends on the stop, okay? It always depends on your stop. Okay, so Terry in the chat got the first answer. Depends on the risk. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Pips is just a measurement of how things have moved, right? You know, if your stop loss was huge and your take profit was huge, it's all down to the, you know, the ratio, right? The ratio of your stops to your TPs. So for example, if you got 2 pips, if I put what is better, 2 pips or 3 pips, and you had a 1 pip stop, I mean, this is obviously theoretical, you wouldn't really do this, and you made 3 pips, you just made a 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is better than someone having a 200 pip stop and making 100 pips by 3 times. So it's all down to the stop loss, okay? So if you guys don't get that and you want me to clarify it a bit more, because I think some people just don't get it. But you can do it like here, so yeah, nothing's happening. So for example, right, if I took a buy on GJ right now on these lows right here, and my stop loss was 100 pips here, okay, and in this area, okay, and I'm aiming for the highs, which is around about 100 pips, right? So let's just do this. Let me just write this on. Okay. Okay, and in this area, I risked 1.4%, which is what I do, you know. So 1.4%. Okay. Right. Now, if I come up to these highs and I take profits at 100 pips over here, right here, I have gained 1.4%. Okay? But on paper, to people who don't get this, if I go on Instagram after and try and sell something, I've made 100 pips. Okay? Whereas this trade right here, let's take a look. Let's just do this trade. So this trade here, with an 11 pip stop and TP here at the highs, and I risk the same as this one, what would the percentage gain be? Someone tell me in the chat in YouTube. How much gain is that if you win that trade and you risk the same as the one before? 1.4, exactly. Yeah. So this is also 1.4, okay? So because you risked 1.4% and you took profit at 1.4%. But what looks better on Instagram? 11 pip gain or 100 pip gain? Well, it's clearly that one, isn't it? But they're the same. They're the same. It's always down to your stop and your gain, okay? So I hope that makes sense for you guys, because it's pretty simple. So when someone, so this is why, oh my god, GJ. Oh, this is 8 o'clock, fuck. Didn't even know it was 8 o'clock. So yeah, wait for a 50-minute candle closure below. Let's take a look at AJ. Same with AJ, yeah. Look at gold, he's pushing down up as well, nice. Wow, that trade would have been holding on for the runner, man. Oh. 100 pip win is good for the ego only. So yeah, that's all it's down to. It's down to the percentage. Jesus Christ, a lot of volume coming in over here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I took 12 pips in this candle. Oh, nice. So the reason why us as traders quite like someone like Ted or Raja is because of the fact they get into entries with a tiny stop and their gains are huge. So for an example on gold, right? You know, sometimes Raja gets 100 pips. Now the difference between someone and someone who isn't Raja, who trades, you know, bigger stops, if they took 100 pips over here, so let's just take a look. They get in the same trade, right? Okay, and they run it up to these highs, right? But their stop losses are also huge. So same thing again. If they risk 1.4%, 1.4, gain at 1.4, right? So the reason why I looked at Raja and Ted and reason like, oh my god, these guys are fucking nutty, right? And the reason why their accounts are growing so quick is because their stop loss is like this. And every so often you'll see on their Instagram, they'll take a trade, they've risked 1.4 here. Okay, risk 1.4 here, or wherever they risk. And then they hold the trade up all the way here. And now they've made what? They've made, well, if it goes to 100 pips and they've risked 10 pips, now they've made 14%. Okay? Now this is the difference. This is why, you know, random people on Instagram taking 100 pip trades, I don't give a fuck, because their stop is 100 pips. That's like me taking a 10 pip trade. The difference is the amount of money you risk on the stop. And right here, you know, 1.4%, this is a 14% gain. So when Raja hits them 100 pip, 200 pip moves, you're like, oh my god, because his stops were nothing more than 20, 30 pips maybe. Okay? But some people, you know, may have bigger stops. You know, so what I always recommend is if you're looking to join someone, whatever, just look at the stops, because the stops identify if he's actually making a lot of money on. Because look here, yes, he's made 100 pips, but it's a 1-to-1. This over here is a 1 to 10 risk to reward. Okay, so yeah, wow, GJ, hello, beautiful. If you look at, was looking on GJ, would you have taken GJ sells just now at 8? No. Nah. 30-minute close doji bearish right at this level. Nah, I would not have taken that. I would not have taken that. Oh my god, Anton. Anton. More pips, more profit. Well, I mean, yes, but it's relative. Is Ted on Instagram or YouTube? Yeah. Silent in the charts on Instagram. More pips, more profit. It's not about the fucking pips. Holy shit. It's about the percentage gain, you fucking dozy cunts. Oh my god, you guys need to go to math class. Holy fuck.
10 pips a day makes the 9 to 5 go away. 10 pips a day. You don't need anything else. 10 pips. Ish.
Capiche.
I like, did you say eat ish or pish?
No, ish, not
yeah.
fish. Ish.
10 with a bit of spread here and there.
Oh shit, Moses, did you hold on that AJ trade? Oh my god. Shit. So far, nice, yeah. You should close at least something here because it's still right at this support, right? Could you not have done the retest strategy on the GJ wick at 7? I tried to. Yeah, if you look back, I tried to, but I wanted the retest to be a little bit higher up at 990. I had it, so right at that support level with resistance and the stop loss above there. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Then I also wanted to get on the flip, which I wish I just did, which I just took. But anyway, you can't do much about it. It's fine. The good thing, the positive that I'm seeing right now, is that price is starting to move nice again, right? Yeah. Will you look for GJ sells now? We'll see, but it has pushed a fucking shitload, so but yeah. We'll see. Would you have taken buys in GU? Establish support at the high volume time. Would you take it 7 AM close or 8 AM open? Send me a charter, man. Oh my god, look at this retracement. Pfft. Hope you guys took some profit over here if you got in on the London Open. Yeah, but it's good though. We're seeing nice clean candles. We're seeing, I mean, the 15 doesn't look too nice, right? But the 30's looking nice, nicer candles. The hourly time frames are clean. Look at this structure yesterday. It was pretty nice. So it's good. It's good to see it. It's good to see it finally. So yeah, we'll see. Is AJ near the zone? Oh, AJ's came all the way back up. Shit, boy. So where are people looking for buys in gold? Held that level nicely. Still look on the 15, see if there's any entries. 15 was kind of clean.
I got him. I got that shit.
That still look on the 5. That 15 close like that. Yeah, after that 5-minute close bullish there, that was kind of nice.
Is my chart in the Zoom? There you go. There you go, mate. All yours. Oh!
Yeah, that was nice.
Very nice.
The only thing that I don't get there, Jace, is why is your stop there when you could just put it there?
Because that is what it's based on, man. It's a 1 to 2. So if I had it there, I actually had it there and I got stopped.
Yeah, this candle wasn't there when he entered.
Oh shit, you got in there?
I got stopped. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you got in there. Sorry.
So I managed rest over there. Then with London open volume, I got in again, and then I secured nice profits. But yeah, so that is the reason why based on what I've been backtesting, it's safe there, man. That is just a safe level to not get tapped. So your risk management on the trade is risked in such a way that it's basically like a 1-to-1. Like basically like you would risk normal, man, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But yeah, so basically that was an untested level that just came to get tapped again.
Yeah. I think for me, if I wanted to get in that 15-minute close in here, a lower wick, getting in on the flip. Was that right at 8 o'clock? Yeah.
I didn't even look at it like that, to be honest. Shit. I just looked at the bar. And
Because it's
also the
resistance
4-hour
there.
support, man, made me. That
Yeah.
4-hour support made me, influenced me basically to take that bar. I wasn't looking at. I was like focused. Like I wasn't even on. Like I just muted everything and I was just focused on this trade now. Because I got stopped out, my balls were sweating a bit because of how I changed my risk. And then, oh man, I was actually put off a bit, the confidence level. And then when I saw we retesting 2 bullish candles, I was like, oh fuck, I'm in again.
I took that retest, Max, first retest trade. Oh, nice, Joe. Wait, on gold. On gold, Joe.
I think you took that retest on GJ, the one below that you wanted to take.
Oh, nice. Really good, lads.
That's the only one that makes sense.
No, I think it might. I know it was the gold one. It was the gold. That 15 there is actually not too bad either. But the thing is, it broke the previous high, so it would have been a little bit riskier. It didn't. Yeah. If you got in there with stop loss above, yeah. I know you don't use pivots to GJ. Tap the daily pivot and retraced at 159,284. Oh wow. So it tapped it pretty much there. Yeah, look at that retracement on GJ. Shit. I hate taking trades when it's already pushed like that. So I will not be participating in the sells. This for me, I wanted to do nicely, but because it's already done that and retraced all the way back up, I got to be a little bit cautious because. This could be the daily low, right? Where's it wicked into? The wicks. So yeah, gotta be a little bit cautious because the daily did close bullish, right? So 4 hours bearish though, so that was nice, man. Well, other people taking them moves a little bit earlier on. I wanted to take them, but to be honest with you, I'm actually happy that I didn't do it at the time because I'm wanting to get that confidence back up in London session for GJ, and it's looking like it's doing that now, which is good. So I'm pretty happy about that. Good lad, Joe. Though I'm glad you got that retest, first retest. You stayed patient for ages and you finally executed. Nice. H4 is still bearish in GJ. Is there a possibility that it retraces, creates a top wick, and moves down? Yeah, for sure. You know, of course it can do that. My only thing for me is it's already done the push, so I just don't want to be caught in this because you know if my 10 pip stops or 12 pip stops here are going to be useless, right? It's just, yeah. It's looking like there's a lot of volatility in GJ, right? That 5 minute just goes strongly bullish back above, and now it's just starting to leak down again. Holy shit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be okay because that was the first entry at 6:45. The second one was here, but unfortunately I just didn't pull the trigger on this one because it was literally just closing the 30, so. And it was closing bullish, so the last fucking minute of the candle it moved. So I can't do much about it, but it's nice to see that it's actually moving strong, which is good. So if you got in on that flip, I'm gonna just 60 pips, man, fucking nice. 60 pipperoonies. Let's take it. Yeah. I saw what's it called? Roma won the Europa Conference League or whatever. Didn't actually watch the game. So wow, looking like goalies retraced. So hopefully you guys took some profit. I mean, you would have taken profits, right? Where would you have taken profits at? Well, it would have been at least there. So that clean candles all the way up. Don't be greedy and try and be that guy who hold everything on. This is where you want clean candles. And that's what you got, right? That's what you got. So yeah, I'm excited for this month to end, to be honest, and then we can start fresh in my birthday month. Birthday month. Oh, I got a stream on my birthday. Let's take a look. No, I don't. My birthday's on Sunday. Shit. Do the HW, yeah.
It's going to be a hardcore stream on Monday morning, eh?
Nah, I'm not. To be honest with you, I went out a couple nights ago with for my friend, and I didn't enjoy it as much as I normally did. I think I'm growing out of it. Yeah.
You're getting old.
Yeah, I'm getting old now. I'm retiring from partying. Push the trade I took in the Telegram, bro. Let's take a look over here. Oh, nice. You got a good setup here, Ron. I thought you were doing some fucking coding there. I realized it's magic keys. Let's take a look. Okay, so 5 minute closed above the level. Yeah, price pushed off here. Looking for a retest of that level. Took the entry on this 5 minute closed. Bullish anticipating that we'd at least retest the highs. Amazing. Target this level. So how did you close, my man? Did you hold things on? What was the score? Did you close 30 pips with runner? Did you close, what was the crack? So your stop was, oh, your stop was tight. Yeah, nice. 8 pip stop. Yeah, that was tasty. Let's take a look over here. So how did you close, Joe? What did you close? What percentages, etc., etc. Different areas. But it looks like you marked it up nicely for the full TP 1849 there. Oh. So let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, it didn't close below. So. And just for me, the rejection wicks like this, like if you take a look here, like on the 15s, what are we doing, right? So, yeah, from here. We're still bullish overall, right? So, I think that maybe this could be the lower wick of the daily. I have a feeling, because it's correlating right with these wicks, pretty close to them anyway. So yeah, we'll see.
The news that Atashi posted on the Telegram is also very high.
Oh yeah, what was it?
It's about GPY.
Yeah, you speaking yesterday, wasn't he? At like 12 or so.
Yeah, but that tweet was 4 minutes ago, or that the news came out 4 minutes ago, which made this impulsive.
Okay. Yeah, that'll be it. Yeah, I think you were fine there, especially a 2 to 2. Ah, that was great. Great work. Yeah, that was nice. Yeah. There we go. GJ holding that level. I did think, let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minute hasn't closed yet. So yeah, I mean the same thing again. 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Very strong candles. Just a little bit early. It's funny, isn't it? How it just changes sometimes. I'd love to know the real reason why. Frankfurt just gives the volume right now. Frankfurt. But it is funny how it changes. Like the difference in the months is actually like dramatic, right? So like in the way that we trade. Oh shit! 1 second. Like if you take a look on April, look how many 8 o'clock trades I had. 1, 2. I mean, that was 7 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 on London Open. Whereas this month, how many in London Opens? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or like pre-London London Open, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. 8, 13. It's not too far off actually. This can move up GBP, yeah. Frankfurt DAX volume traded here, yeah, exactly. So there we go. GJ started to push up over here. Projected off that level. Let's take a look. Who else is in here today? Anyone looking at any other trades today? Any other trades for London? I can't see too much. Looking like this gold is maybe going to continue. I think later on the buys may happen later on. The buys. I like buys on AJ above 90.078 to fill the back of the brain. 90.078. Yeah. I agree with that. Clean candles in that area as well and move quick up. Yeah, I agree with that. I think that would be nice. Be flipping the 4 hour as well. Be flipping the daily. I think that would be pretty delicious. Delicioso. Yes, oh my god, GJ hourly flipping shit. 8 o'clock candle is a fake out. Well, it didn't close below anything, so it never broke out, okay? So a fake out is when a candle closes below, so something like this. The next candle closes back in. Okay? So this candle never closed out. Can you see? Oh shit. Never closed out. But yeah, it's reversing, right? How much percentage you made this month? Around about, well, actually with that trade yesterday, around about 9. I was like 7, so that's 4. So that 11%. 10-11%. Yeah. So in the space of 2 months, I've made nearly 50%. Well, I have made 50%, yeah. 11 and 39. Which isn't too shabby. Fuck you, Brian. I'm not gonna ask for your input next time. Nah, I think I would have closed anyway because of the 30. Wasn't the fake out on the 15? Nope, 15 hadn't closed below either. 15 hasn't even closed up either. Nope. No, no, no. Wow, look at this rocket. So, did anyone try and get a little bit cheeky over here and try and take sells again? If you did, make sure to tell me. We can go through it together because it's a bit tough for people here because it didn't close below. If they look here, and I think a lot of people, I mean, you know, I think I would, you know, I think if when I was starting to learn, if I started to take trades when this candle pushed down, I'm like, oh man, I want to fill that wick, that pip, look how big this wick is. This wick is huge. Oh my god, amazing. It's like 30 pips. Oh my god. This candle makes a top wick and then flips over here, probably getting into a sell with a random stop in here, and you're just gonna get smacked, okay? The one thing you gotta learn is that if you've missed the move, you've missed the move, right? You can't go back in it, just wait for the next one. not me. I let it pass. You gotta be able to just go, you know what, I've missed the move, right? That happened to me twice today. I missed this because it was fucking early and I was only setting up the stream. And here because the 30-minute time frame was closing in about a second and then it finally flipped and broke the lows. I can't do anything about it, right? Do I get butthurt about it? No. Do I have over 480, 500 people waiting for me to take a trade and waiting for me to take that trade? Yes, but, you know, I can't do anything about it. You have to just be patient with it, and if you've missed the move, you missed the move. The one thing you've got to not do is get into a trade when it's already finished, because it's going to piss you off significantly. I took sells in the retest expecting Wickfield, sweating balls now a little bit. Yeah, yeah, I'd be cautious now. Yeah, but it is generally because you're thinking that it's gonna fill that wick, but this wick is a rejection wick. You know, it came into a zone, it hadn't closed below, it came all the way back up, it's rejected. Look at these 5-minute candles, look how strong they were. So for next time, just remember. It's so important, so important, because what it does is it stops you from losing some trades, and it also gets you in the mental state of not taking any FOMO trades or not taking any trades to get your money back, because you'll be so pissed off of losing this one. Like, oh man, I want to take another one. Then you'll take a buy here, not realizing that, you know, you're just in a range, right? So, and then you're gonna lose all your money in here. You're gonna finish the day off down fucking 20% because you over risked, and now you're gonna be feeling like shit just because of one day. I shit you not, every single time I lost an account or lost a lot of my account, it'd be one day, not consecutive days, one day. So I'd be, you know, nice, bad. Just because I got so pissed off with the trade I took, I then over leveraged to try and get it back, I then lost 20%, now I'm pissed off, I risked 40% to get it back, and then I just lost the whole thing. Wow, great. I think some people are not as extreme as that, but that's exactly what I was when I was younger, so yeah. I saw more Wickfields in gold. It's the same thing with gold though, right? It's pushed up and now it's retraced. It's just like, I hate that kind of stuff. Max, may I know the tool name which you used? Oh yeah, it's support and resistance online, so it's like this. Sorry, it's on Zoom, yeah. Zoom annotation. Please can you go through the last trade which you took from 6% to 10%? Yeah, it's on my Instagram. It's the one yesterday that I took, which no one else took because it was my first retest trade. And it was juicy. This one here. Yeah. Bearish closure, rejecting the highs of the previous NY session as well. Next candle makes a top wick, getting in on the resistance with stop loss above, 10 pip stop, and then gain was fucking juicy. You could have also gotten in the flip, but the flip was 18 pip stop. So yeah. That's all it was. Closure back in the zone. Thanks for deleting this of signal box, confusing me. This, yeah. Do you believe in a GJ buy if it goes above 800? No. No. For me, where would GJ buys be, guys? Where would we look for GJ buys? Yeah, I'd be up here, right? 160.020. Because then it'll be flipping the 4-hour, the dailies. Because you need to remember the 4-hour is still very, very bearish, right? Even though it isn't retracing a lot. It's just entering on a candle that looks that bad is oof. And you can see we've got our resistance there. And then this zone from here to here is okay. 80 pips. You could risk it, but I don't think I'm gonna. I always wait for a retest at 2:15 AM. Mastering emotions is the hardest part of trading. Yeah, exactly. It's the only reason I used to blow accounts. Not because I was just bad at trading, it's because I just fucking couldn't control it. Where can I find Zoom annotations? You just go on there and you go on to annotate at the bottom with like a pen here. Why don't you update the trades taken on this month? The screen, it's outdated. No, it's not. I just haven't taken any. When price has been horrendous in London. Do you believe in a GJ buy if it goes above 800? So just that. Is the Elliott wave a theory a good thing to learn? Oh my god. Elliott wave. What is that? How can someone master emotions? Basically, you've got to go on a trip to Thailand. You go to a monk temple and you train, become a master of the dark arts, and then you're fine after that. You have to train with Ra's al Ghul. Yeah, every time you take a bad trade, get someone to kick you in the knob. I was born in the darkness. What a fucking movie that was. Nah, the actual reason to do it is it's just down to you, right? It's completely down to you. Some people can do it, some people can't do it, and there's got to be a point where you either take it seriously and just do it properly, or you leave. And you know, if you leave trading, it's not you fail. It's just you just couldn't get to that next step, which is fine. You know, it's not for everyone. Some people won't be able to do it. You know, they've got too many things, too many maybe issues that are struggling with. You know, you also, your life and the way you live your life can also affect the way you trade, right? If you've got lots of bills to pay, then you'll be stressing for losing money. If you've, I know, financed a shitload of stuff, you know, if you financed your car, you've got a mortgage, you've got you're financing for a sofa, you're paying Netflix, Disney Plus, you know, all this stuff for your family. You're treating your wife because she likes to get treated and she thinks you're rich and you're actually not. You know, all those things can make you stressed out. The one thing when you're starting trading, I think, is you need to be financially sound, right? You know, going into it, you gotta be. I mean, I wasn't, but you know, that's because I was at uni. But then that funded fucking helped me the fuck out. This is my second time round. Mortgage is paid and got a better mindset. Nice. Need at least 6 months in living expenses. Yeah. It's the people that have zero money and say, "Oh, mate, yes, you can do it," and you know, you could be that one whiz kid who gets a funded account and fucking thing. But it's, you know, there's a lot of percentages against you. Everyone can be happy and a good trader when winning. It's when you're going through a period of not taking trades, couple losses, and bounce back that people can't do. Exactly, and this is why this month for me has been a great month to sit back and relax. My win rate's been very, very low compared to other months, just because of the fact that I can't take the trades that I normally take. So I've been, you know, sitting back. But being in the group and showing you what it goes through when times are hard and you just have to chill is perfect, right? Oh my god, you see Raj's trade? What a fucking stinking trade. Where the fuck? What time is that?
It was on the hourly.
5 a.m. My guy just took an impulse there. It's fucking
Was it there
mad.
or was it a bit lower? I think it was on the hourly candle.
Oh. There, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um. So do you get it on the break of the lows? There.
Yeah, that's what it looked like to me. I think when I saw it a while
See,
ago,
like-
half an hour or
like-
an hour ago, but yeah.
Like, I just don't get that. I just can't fathom him getting in there. Look at the left. He's definitely at his melons today. Like I just can't understand. Look at the wicks to the left. It works beautifully though. Fuck, that was nice. I think a 50 pip drop. Very nice. Looking like gold filled that wick back up. Holy shit. Is your runner still in, Jason? Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no, you got in there, didn't you? No, it wicked out there.
I've got a runner in, but it's on sells. Still up 38 pips.
On gold?
Yeah, so it was early. It was on the 30-minute chart.
Yeah.
Where did I get in?
All
the way up right here. So that was my entry.
Retest.
Stops. Yeah.
That was tasty. Stop losses there.
Yeah, I think 12 pips. Yeah, that's right. Yep.
So you got the 15
didn't look as nice. The
Yeah.
30 and the hourly looked really nice. The 4 hour had just closed bearish.
Oh,
as
the
well.
hourly was nice.
So same on the hourly.
Yeah.
So it was essentially the same entry. I think the hourly, the stops ever so slightly higher, and then the 4 hour had just closed bearish. I was like, yeah, I think this looks like it could.
So where would the retest be line? I would probably have put it there.
Yeah, on the 15 it was, which I don't know if that's slightly lower. I kind of just ignored the 15 in the end because it technically you actually would have got in on, if you got in on the 15 one, it would have been at this spot here. If you had your stops behind this candle,
yeah,
technically would have stayed in through that whole time. Wouldn't have been fun. Whereas the 30-minute entry was nicer because it was at that point and it was.
Well, no, I don't mean getting in there. I mean getting in here. But where did you take your sell? Because for me, I would have drawn the line. If I was looking there, I would have drawn the line there. So I would have got in right there, and I would have taken like.
Yeah, I wasn't even looking at the 15-minute chart. So I think it was
looking at the hourly.
Whatever the line was on the 30-minute, like that support.
It's right on daily flip.
Which is the same. Yeah, it was the same on the 30 and the 1 hour.
Yeah, wow, that was nice. So how did you run it? How did you close?
To be honest, I set a sell limit and I had to go out and I kind of forgot about it and I came back and I was up like 80 pips.
Like down here. Holy shit.
Yeah, it was like somewhere down, not quite that far, but yeah, it was somewhere down. I think when I got back, it was somewhere in maybe that realm, or somewhere around there. Yeah, anyway.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, did all right.
That's nice. Looking like GJ is really holding that level now, yeah. Max, did you get a funded account? If so, how much was it and what was your average return? Yes, I did. I got 100k and I was averaging around about 4% a week. Yeah, 4% a week. Some were better, some were worse. But it wasn't like the thing with fun and talent was of what I liked about it was it wasn't a challenge. If you fucked up and lost that week, all you have to do is pay a fucking it was like a 150 or 200 pound to get it back, and then you just do the bi-weekly payouts again. But bear in mind, my bi-weekly payouts were like they were nice. 4%. I got like 10% of everything that I earned on that. So yeah, it was like so if I made 4%, then that was $4,000. So that would have been 400 on the first one. So it would have been 800 first payout, and then the next one would have been 1,600. So that was 2,400 a month. That's what I remember getting a lot. 2,400 a month. Man, are you a funded trader now? No, I've got my own funds now. I've got the Bank of Max. The Bank of Max. I'm telling you now, funded accounts, they're all great, they're all hunky dory if you can work with them, but goddamn, they are stressful as fuck. We fund Max now. All the money that goes into the mentorship goes straight into my fucking house that I bought. Actually, like 15% of it, I confirm with the fucking with the fundeds. Max, I have a question for you about the missed GJ trades of you at 215. Normally you only go for 10 pips, but with the sell stop you had 16 to 15 pips, right? I don't know. No, it was 11. It was 11. So it was fine. Took any trades today? No, I missed 2 GJ ones that I really wanted to get. This one was a bit too early. This candle pushed and broke the low literally 13 seconds before it started to close. And I was like, I'm just going to wait for the close. And then we launched. Yeah. So that was, for me, was the trade idea today. Here. I know a lot of people on YouTube took it, but for me, it didn't close the way I wanted it to. It took us time. It fannied around for 30 minutes, but that was the trade there. So then, yeah, let's just go through that again then for people. So when it came to the left is a little bit choppy over here. So when we got to around about 6 pips around here, I'd put stop loss to break even, hope it could continue. And then, yeah, you would have got, I don't know, 16 pips there. I would have closed around here, like 13, I think, for TP1. Oh, Benjamin, you need to go back and watch the videos, my man. He goes, this survey here, I think better is 100 pips rather than 10, but of course more 10s is better at the end than 100 in few months. Yeah, so you can still see that the way that Benjamin's thinking here is he's still thinking about the pips. It's like, bro, chill out. Benjamin, if you go back to when I put this poll out 47 minutes ago, you'll get the answer of what I explained. It's all broken down. I'm going to put it on my Instagram today because it's quite a good thing to show. Because I saw some people in the chats going, ah, that's how it works. I go, yes. And now GJ coming back down to ruin people's lives for the buys. Let's take a look at Goldie. Wow, Goldie's retraced a lot. 1850 from 1840, yeah, like 40 pips, pretty good. Max, clip that and explain and post. Yeah, I will. I will. Don't you worry about that. So yeah, let's take a look at GJ now. Oh, so for me here, you could go, oh, GJ's close below, but for me, I'm hell no. Absolutely hell no. still closed right at that level. I'd not be touching that. 300 people, 89 likes, guys. Amazing work. Well done for guys, people taking that GJ trade this morning. Sure, sorry, just came in. I don't know exactly what you were talking about. I am sure it makes more sense, of course. Don't get me wrong. Anyway, I took gold buys when it broke 1846.5. 1846.5. Yeah, on the 15. 46.5, yeah. It's a shame that that wick just came back down over here, but what do we talk about with Sashin and Brian? This came up, didn't retest, and now it's done the retest. So, had to kind of come down, unfortunately. For me, close right at level on GJ. Yeah, me too. Me too, me too. Me too. Three new people live, come on, only 95 likes. Like the button, yeah, man. So Goldies came back up to that level now, which is nice, man. It's very, very nice. It could potentially continue. 1852. Wow, looking like the 4 on the daily got a big ass range, right? From the flips. From the flips. So yeah, I think I only stick on the 5 minute again. Yeah, I think that did the 30 minute have a little wick there? No, okay. I think for me the gold trade would have been there. It's got a closure above, lower wick, 8 pip lower wick, and then it would have been a 30 pip gain. Yeah, that was tasty. But I was focusing on GJ at the time. GJ's breaking the lows.
On the lower wick of the 15.
Yeah, my only thing for me is that with this one is that, like, look, like if I put that signal in, you're either gonna win or lose pretty much instantly. It's just boring to be in. It's like,
yeah,
you know what I
but
mean?
then you
It's
could
like,
also look at it the side of that it's only a 3 pip risk or whatever it was.
yeah,
Or no, see, I would have got
the
no,
5
no,
minute
see,
close
if
bullish.
you know, if you go to the 15 minute, would have been getting in at
There.
this point here with
Yeah.
stops there.
Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah.
So that would have been 5 pips stop. You went in 3 pips drawdown. Some people have got shit spreads though. Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Max Gold against trend taking buy. Yeah, but so yeah, the daily wasn't with you, but it was at very, very higher time frame support. Can you see? So you would have waited. I mean, the 30-minute close is very, very strongly bullish. And yeah, you can see to the left here how it rejected before. Also, I suppose the daily wasn't with you, right? And the 4-hour wasn't with you. So yeah, it wasn't the nicest. It looks nice because it's pushed off nicely and it's held that support, but yeah, with your discipline and stuff, if the daily wasn't with you, the 4-hour was pretty bearish still. So yeah, well, just flip bullish. Sorry. Okay, looking like GJ's pumping again, pushing again. Sorry. That's how I was gonna take it, but wait to see if they held support on the yeah. Gold trade was perfect, even counter trend. Yeah, that's a good counter trend one because I had a nice bottom wick. So yeah, we'll have to see with this GJ. Still look on the hourly time frame. Yeah, hourly resistance is at 400. 400. Yeah. Was that Asian lows? Oh no. The Asian swept the lows of the previous. Yeah, and then came back up. That's kind of nice. Oh my god, GJ. You pushing up, boy. Pushing down, sorry. Let's take a look. So 25 pips. Yeah. But it's right at that level. I would not be tracing that. FTMO or my FOREX funds accelerated. I think FTMO's got tighter spreads. So if you trade like us, you probably want tighter spreads. The good thing is later on we've got all of this area, which is like 100 pips, which is rather nice. It wants to continue. If it wants to. Looking like now, I mean, yeah, it's interesting, right? Because we've got where the resistance came up, broke the highs of the previous, now coming down. Yeah, interesting. I think AJ looks cleaner 30 minute. Yeah. If 30 minute closes below, then maybe. Asian session range indication by Billy FX will mark out your Asian, London, and NY sessions on chart automatically. Let's take a look. Asian session range by Billy FX. Where the fuck is it? Oh my god. So this is Asian lows. Whoa, that shit's trippy. That shit's trippy. Wow, look at GJ, holy fuck. What broker are you using to trade gold? IC Markets. IC Markets, yeah. IC Markets. So filled that wick eventually. Look at them 5 minute candles, holy fuck. But I missed my move up there, so I don't really care. The one by Nico is much better. So, Goldie. The 30 minute hasn't closed below yet, though. You have to change the colors and charts to make it look better. Ah, right, that's fair. So just talk about the Asian lows and stuff. That's cool, though. Nice to see it. You could make it look a little bit nice, and you could use that. Just because if it breaks Asian lows or Asian highs, it's interesting to see. Oh my god. This zone in here is nice. 46 pips. Jesus Christ, GJ. Oh my god. Did anyone try and get in on the 5 minutes, maybe? Shit just launched. So, if this 30 minute closes, where would the top wick be? Here? Stop loss would be above. Yeah, that'd be kind of nice if it closes below. If it closes below, that's probably what I'm going to look for. If you get a nice closure here, we've got a nice 46 pip range to continue on AJ. Jesus Christ, my voice. 89, 791. Stop would be 90. So, if this candle over here closes, this next candle makes a top wick and comes to here, taking a sell there. TP, first TP would be roughly 14 pips, 13 pips, something like that. And then TP2 will be back down over here, 89,428. Interesting. Interesting. Still look what this looks like on all the time frames. Yeah, the 4 hour looks like shit, to be honest. The daily time frame. AJ looks nice in the low time frames, but goddamn on the higher time frames, they look like shit. But a nice closure would be pretty nice. Got in on the 50-minute on GJ, risking the profits I made earlier. Ooh. Got in on the 15-minute. Oh, like this 15 up here? This 15-minute up there, maybe? I liked and subscribed. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, we're at like 6,000 subscribers, which is mad. I know the stream has been boring as fuck recently, but it's because price has been moving like ass. But these past 2 days are looking better, man. Oh, Matthew. Where did you get in, Matthew? Let's take a look. You got in on just a break of all of them. Let's take a look on this. Where that was. The break of the 30-minute lows? Oh no. I was just breaking all these 15s here. Nice little impulse there. Worked out nicely. Got in at 59.516. So everyone got in on the break of the lows, yeah. So if you got in on the break of the lows, your stop was 8 pips in the current candle high. I have a question about 20% runners. When do you gain more? When closing full at 1-to-1 or when you run a goes to 60, 80 pips profit? It depends on each setup. But recently with these retests, I'm going to be having the runners in a little bit longer because the stop a little bit longer and more of them, maybe like 30%, 40%, because prices are such a nice entry. But yeah, normally when you get in on the flips, you don't have that much for runners, and you normally close most of it. So it depends. Just back test it for what your entries are for sure. Yeah, 15 looks not as nice. If we get a nice top wick in GJ, will you enter? Nah, it's pushed too much for me. It's pushed too much. Came down to the hourly supports. That's where I wanted to get in here and there, and I missed it. So nope. But AJ zone is not too bad. Sells on gold on the 30-minute break. If you wanted to. I don't know how you'd kind of get into that though. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Only caught 7 pips because I closed early. Oof. 7 pips? 7 pipperoonies? Why did you close early? There must have been a reason. You must have maybe not had much confidence, maybe? Maybe. So a retracement on GJ for it to push down at NY is what I'm looking for then? Yeah. A nice retracement back up at 159, 560 would be tasty for later on, yeah. Would be very nice. Are we going to get this closure? Doesn't look like we are. Doesn't look like we are. Yeah, didn't close below. GJ over here, very bearish, very nice. So the 2 entries that I wanted to, which I fucking wish I just did, was here. And then the one a little bit earlier on, but that's literally when I started putting the stream on, which is there. But yeah, very nice as a whole. This is good though. The volume's coming back. The London volume is looking tasty. See you Monday, my man. See you Monday, my brother. But yeah, finally volume's getting in. The confidence is getting back, which is like what we like to see. And then we're gonna take some beautiful trades like last month. Oh yes, oh yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it off over here, guys. I'm not. I've missed the GG. I wanted to get in here. Unfortunately, I got put off by it because of the closure. But yeah, thank you very much, you guys, coming on. We're gonna do simulation at 10 o'clock. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Make sure to like the stream before you leave. And peace out. Yeah, see you guys in Zoom in an hour's time. See you later, alligator. See you later. See you guys. Peace out, guys. Adios, amigos. So yeah, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, that entry there was tasty. But anyway, hey Max, should I trade tomorrow if I'm already in profit? If you want to, how much profit are you in? But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. I'll tell you what, now the charts are getting nicer, and we're gonna take some stinking trades. So yeah, guys, see you later tomorrow, man. Peace out.